Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you for the support that you do, on a daily basis, sharing the content, and thank you, honestly. Thank you for helping the channel grow into what it is. So, I've got all of your best interests at heart. I'm not going to feed you no spiel. I always say what I say. If I think we're going to dump, I tell you we're going to dump. If I think we're going to pump, I tell you we're going to pump. We've got projections. Some would say I'm a moon boy, but the projections, because I think that we're on this journey, basically, and the charts are screaming that you're on this journey to me, and until they lose key levels of support, you are still on that journey. Do you understand that? So that's why I've got my projections for XRP and Bitcoin and Ethereum. Some, fortunately for them, they're getting to those projections earlier than others, and unfortunately XRP has been a little bit lackluster in this bull run, and that's the truth of it. It has, it's slowly been going up the stairs, but it's not been as explosive as it has in previous cycles, which scream to me this is a different cycle for XRP. Obviously I've got projections up there, of $13 and $20 plus, and I do believe that XRP will be at those price tags one day. It's just a case of when. I can't specifically say tomorrow, next month, next year, whatever, but I do think you're on a journey to that. That's why if you look at the thumbnail, it says the road to $27, which I do think XRP will reach. When? How long's a piece of string? I wish I could tell you conclusively, but this is something that I don't possess. No one possesses that skill set. But whilst you're moving up the stairs and holding support, you are looking at that, okay? So basically, wise men say Bitcoin always looked dumpiest before pumpiest, and at the moment Bitcoin is really looking dumpy, isn't it? It's come down. You're holding the key level support though, but it is retracing, and it's scaring the bejeebers out of everybody, isn't it? So you always want to sort of look at them entry points as being the lowest, not the highest. And it's like I always say to you, look at Ethereum here as a prime example, okay? So Ethereum still en route to the 1618 at 5,157. This is done a lot better than XRP in this bull run, unfortunately, but it is what it is. There's a big conspiracy, isn't there, about people that are sort of running this show on the XRP, trying to sort of put it underwater, are the ones that have been buying Ethereum. Why they're not togged in Ethereum, and why is it just XRP? Because they sort of squashed XRP's bull run, and they've been bag-holding these Ethereum, and then they're going to sell the Ethereum for XRP. There is that theory, okay? So it could play out. Who knows? But you can see Ethereum is acting beautifully here. You've broken out of this beautiful big cup and handle pattern. You've come back to it as support the neckline. You're holding it as support. So you're looking at impulsive break. So you've got to appreciate when you come up, you come down. You come up, you come down. And the same happens for XRP. It happens in the entire crypto markets, okay? But as long as you come back and you hold a key level support, you're looking for continuation. It's only when you lose that key level support that you're not looking for continuation, okay? I mean, look, prime example of buying big green candles and getting big red dildos. Look at this parabola here, okay? And just immediately after you're taking off into space, big green candles, you would have had a lot of people entering just there. Boom, you got the big red dildos, but you held a key level support just there, okay? On the weekly time frame, look at that. You came down, you held the 55 EMA. You can't quite see it, but it is under there. You held it like a boss, and that's bullish basically, because you've not lost the key level support. And with that, you've come back up the stairs, you've broken the high, and right now you're back to center high. I know this is an XRP video, but for me Ethereum is looking extremely bullish, and I do actually think that Ethereum is more bullish than Bitcoin, to be honest with you, okay? But I do follow Bitcoin, I do updates on Bitcoin, but for me Ethereum is more bullish moving forward. So we've got the total crypto market cap here doing exactly the same as XRP, as exactly the same as Ethereum, just there. This is total crypto market cap. Again, look here, you come up the stairs, you roll back to support, you come up the stairs, support, up the stairs, support, okay? And you've held this neckline, this previous neckline, the whole time high, and the cup and handle pattern just there as support. So your technical target is 3.65. You can see you've run into 1618, and like I said in a health video, if you do start to lose this support, you've got low support below, basically, that you can hold before losing it. That gives a confirmation of the bear. Do you understand that? So this is why I'm still bullish on crypto, because you've not lost key support. It's only when you lose key support, like the 55 EMA on the weekly, if you start to come down and hit your head on that, I've always told you that it's a massive precursor. Look at the charts. The charts do not lie. If you do that and you hit your head on it, then you're going bear. Basically, it's a confirmation of the bear market. There's no bear market here, I'm afraid. There's bear market hopium, okay? So right now, I'm talking about other projects. I do apologise, but I want you to get a sort of zoomed out look of where the markets are going, okay? I think that crypto's in a bull run. I think you're looking at continuation. But unfortunately, you do retrace, and it is horrible. You don't want these retracements, but they're part and parcel of the continuation. You have to retrace them, come back to key level support for the continuation, because if you don't, you get the parabola and then you get the blow off top, and then you never recover. Do you understand that? And that will come. I do believe that will come to the crypto market caps, and especially XRP. So I know it's a little bit frustrating and lackluster, but you've got to have patience, okay? Remember, patience is key with XRP, okay? So let's take a look at the charts for XRP right now. So XRP, you know, really importantly here, like I've said to you all week, with close above the 0618 is really important. If we can get that weekly close, it's so important, okay, because you're holding a key level support. And like I said to you, if you hold support, you're looking at continuation. If you lose support, you're looking at retesting lower support, you know. And just here, we've got the close, and boom, broke out, retested this level of resistance, 050. And what happened? We melted for it, put in the high, ran it to 786, and we're coming back down. And you can see we're coiling up, you know. It doesn't take a wise man, a rocket scientist, to see we're in a continuation here, looking to coil up. We're actually creating a hidden bullish divergence there. And I spoke about this yesterday. You look, we've bounced off that just there, look at that, and then just there we've got this weekly close which is higher than that one. So just there, that's called a bullish divergence, okay, where you're making higher lows in the price action and you're making lower lows in the RSI. That's called a bullish divergence, basically. So right now you can see we're bouncing this week. So if this plays out, your bullish divergence played out, and I said to you, they're even more powerful the more zoomed out they are, okay? So what's important, the most important thing here is XRP is closed above the 0618, because like I said to you, if you can close this, you're going to start attacking this level of resistance just there, breaking out of this key level of resistance, holding support, basically. So, you know, there is a bit of a trend line that's forming just there, isn't there? You look at that, you've come up into it, you've got horizontal, you're making higher lows and lower highs, so you're coiling up in some kind of apex just there, come up into it, continuation pattern, boom, 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 tighten up, breakout. You're looking at that test of resistance, get through that, hold support, you're looking at retracement to the high there for XRP. And like I've said to you so many times, you're looking at a minimal impulsive break to $4.50, okay? So you're holding support. It's really good, really good for XRP. So right now, you know, I just want to reassure you that you're looking healthy, okay? It's only if you start to roll and lose this key level support and close the week below the 0618, then you will probably see, you know, we're going to come down lower, and potentially, you know, this is going to be a long drawn out process where we're doing something like this. Again, we've come up into it and we've got this horizontal that we're conforming to, and we're holding that, boom, 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 and then we start to come up, you know. But at the minute, we're looking good here because we're holding this key level support to 0618. Okay, so that's basically XRP. It's looking good for continuation. So I've not done an update over the past couple of days. I've just been really busy. So let's just say right now, okay, XRP has held this support and we're looking at really bullish weeks ahead here, moving into December. We're still going to start to come back up the stairs, get back above the 20, attack this level of resistance, and we do start to break out and we break this high. If we do, you know, right here, I'm going to give you some targets for XRP from there, because at the minute it's looking pretty tasty, isn't it? Because you've held that support. So for me, if you do start to come up and break out this low resistance here, you take out that high at $1.38. You're looking at impulsive break up there, taking out a 786, you know. Look at that 786. That's acting as key level resistance just there. And if you remember, refer back when we was doing all this, I said to you, the longer you do that, the more you're going to come down, okay? Because you're hitting resistance, roll, hold support, up you go. Do you understand that? So it's the reverse. So right now, if you do start to come back up here and take out this high, you've got a beautiful impulsive break target to the 1618, and you really are starting to get the party started here. So from here right now, you know, it could be a further upside of 88% once you break this resistance. It is all about this resistance. You can see, look, resistance. You're coming back for support to break this resistance. That's how it works, okay? You've held support right now, and potentially it is one big giant horizontal that you're forming just there, holding this support. Do you see that? Coiling up, breakout eventually. So that's XRP. Sorry, I spieled on a bit, do apologise, but I'm just trying to convey my point that you're still in an uptrend and you're still looking really bullish, and you're coiling up inside a horizontal here for XRP moving forward, okay? If in doubt, zoom out. Take care everyone, back to another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.